In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put images on your Steam profile. It's an easy process that anyone can master quickly. So let's get started. First, open your Steam app. It's a great place not just for gaming, but also for showcasing your creativity with your profile artworks. Once it's open, look for the login option, click on it and proceed to enter your account name and password. Remember to keep these credentials safe, as they are your gateway to a world of gaming and community interaction on Steam. After entering your details, click on Sign In to access your account. Once you're on your Steam homepage, the next step is to focus on the top right corner of your screen where you'll find your profile name. Click on it. This action will bring up a drop down menu. Here you'll want to click on View My Profile. This is where you can view and manage all your profile settings. Now we need to get to the part where you can add artwork. Look for the artwork section on your profile page and click on it. This is where the magic happens, as it's the space dedicated to displaying your creativity. You'll notice an upload artwork option, which is your next target. Click on it and choose not game specific. This step ensures that the artwork you are adding is purely for your profile and not linked to any game. As you continue, you'll see an option to add an artwork title. A catchy or descriptive title can attract more viewers, so take a moment to think about a fitting name. After titling your masterpiece, it's time to upload the actual image file. Make sure to select a file that showcases what you want to exhibit, whether it's a favorite game moment or a personal creation. Ensure it's something you're proud to share. Following the upload, you can add a description. This is a great way to provide context or share your thoughts about your artwork, making it engaging for others who visit your profile. Once your description is set, you'll encounter an option to set the visibility of your artwork. You can make it public, friends only, or private, depending on how widely you want to share your creation. Pay attention now to the rights and ownership section. Before you can finalize everything, check the I certify checkbox. This is a standard procedure confirming that you hold the necessary rights to the artwork you're sharing. And finally, with all steps completed, click on Save and Continue to publish your artwork on your profile. And there you have it, you've successfully added an image to your Steam profile. Explore your creativity and feel free to update your profile with different artworks anytime you want. Thank you for watching and happy gaming on Steam.